Good daily habits can make such a big difference to overall health and life. So, today we are going to talk about 10 healthy habits that changed my life. Someone who is looking for simple ways to live a healthy life, this is for you. Keep watching.
Hi friends, welcome back to my healthy lifestyle. So, as I mentioned, today we are going to talk about 10 healthy lifestyle habits which I learned gradually over the period of time. I got really benefit out of it. I can say it boosted my physical health, emotional health and brain health. I thought it will be really helpful for many who are looking to switch to a healthy lifestyle. Before we start, I would like to mention few points. First thing is, it's not about perfection. It's all about consistency. Consistency is the key towards success. And second thing is, don't pressurize yourself and try to be perfect. It's okay if you're not able to do sometime. Third thing is, it will not happen over the night. Definitely, it will take time. Slowly, gradually cultivate as a habit to lead a healthy lifestyle.
Previous day night, I just soaked 2 spoons of methi seeds in a glass of water. And the very next day, once I wake up and freshen up, I just warm this methi seed soaked water and add a pinch of turmeric and cinnamon powder. These three combination really help us to boost our digestion and increase our metabolism. And also it also helps to control the type 2 diabetes. It has the ability to lower our blood sugar level. It's really a good start for having a healthy lifestyle. And more importantly, someone who is looking for a healthy way to lose weight, this is a good start. Number 2, I have 5 soaked walnut and almond every day. This helps me to keep full for the longer time and thus it helps for weight loss as well as they are high in protein, fiber, mineral and healthy fats. Walnut are plant source omega 3s and this helps promotes healthy gut and reduce inflammation. And if you are having a very low hemoglobin level, you can soak 5 black dry grapes overnight and have it in the empty stomach in the morning. This helps to increase the HP level in our body. Yes, I do home workout for an hour. I love to do home workout rather than hitting a gym. And now in this pandemic, we are not even stepping out for our basic needs in order to be safe. So try to do home workout at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. This will keep us to feel energetic throughout the day and feel fresh in the morning. And I have planned my workout in such a way that 40 minutes of cardio workout and 20 minutes of meditation and another 10 to 15 minutes of abs workout. So in cardio, I choose to do Zumba or power yoga or high intensity workout. Choose the one which you really love to do. I wanted to mention very recently I started to practice meditation. I started with 10 minutes and slowly I increased my timings to 20 minutes. Really it helps us to soothe our mind in the morning and manage our stress level and reduce our negative emotions around and increases our focus and patience level. I think everyone should start to practice this at least 10 to 15 minutes in a day. Physical activity guidelines as per WHO for your reference. Number 4, after my workout, I prefer to take cold water shower rather than hot water. Cold water have regenerate property, help our muscle to relax and repair after our intense workout. And it's really helpful for our skin and hair health. Try to take cold water shower rather than hot water. I personally prefer cold water shower. It depends on which location you are located and depends on your climatic conditions. Number 5, I started to take greens every single day in any form. I prefer to take as a smoothie or I prepare chutney out of it or even I prepare dosa or I put lentils and make dal out of it. You consume in any form whichever you like, but don't forget to take at least one serve per day. It really helps us to boost our immunity and also it helps our digestive gut health since it has an insoluble fiber and also strengthen our bone and lower our cholesterol level and feel us to full for longer time and helps in weight loss too. Few greens which I consume, there are a lot of spinach varieties available. I do take coriander, pudina, curry leaves, anything which is instantly available at your home, you can start to consume. Number 6, I started to consume at least 2 to 3 bright color fruits every single day. Whichever you like, you can add on and start to have. The most vibrantly colored fruits and vegetables are the richest in vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. It really helps to keep our skin healthy and improve our night vision and keep our bones, teeth, nails strong and lot more. Start to consume just one fruit per day if you really don't like to have fruits. From my real time experience, I'm able to say that it really changed my skin tone and I started to glow. Number 7, I started to read book daily. This is really new habit which I am trying to adapt myself. It's been quite some time I haven't read books. So I have bought some couple of quite interesting books. I'm keeping it beside my bed, and before I'm going to sleep, 30 minutes before, I'm just grabbing on book and trying to read and go to sleep. This really helpful for me to build my vocabulary and increases my concentration and helps for me to have a good sound sleep. As we all know, every day is a new learning for us. Definitely try to do something new which you really love or which you are thinking quite some time to learn, or try to do something which really helpful for you to feel satisfied and that you have did something for the day. It's all about keeping your brain engaged and stimulated. I love to give quality time for my loved ones. I underline the word quality. We all of us end up spending time with loved ones, but we were on phone. It's a digital age we live in, but I think we all should avoid phone or any gadgets when we are in and around spending time with our loved ones. Properly talk with each other and have some quality time. It really helpful for us to reduce stress. Number 9, before I go to sleep, I plan for my very next day. This will help me to really be productive and complete the task on that particular day. I will keep my top priorities on the to do list and the least one at the bottom of my to do list. So, in order to have a confusion free, stress free day, it is very good to plan ahead and start. Put a time frame for each task you have planned and try to complete within that allocated period of time, so that you will not prolong by sitting for one particular task throughout the day by ending up without doing the rest of the task which you have planned. Once you complete the planned task on the allocated time, just do a tick mark or strike out. This really will keep you motivated to move on and complete the rest all planned task for the day. Try to switch off your mobile phone 30 minutes before you go to sleep. This will really help you to have a sound sleep. There are many scientific reasons behind it, so let's all try to have a practice to have a gadget free night and go to sleep on time and have a sound sleep. These simple changes have really made big difference in my life, and I thought I should share with you all and really get benefit out of it. If you really like my video, please like, share and subscribe and click the bell.